Today we're going to be installing a MAGNAFLOW cat back exhaust on the 93 Mazda Miata. It already has it lifted up, kind of set up to how we want it, but right now we're going to get some sound tests with the old exhaust.
Sounds. I don't know how to do this. It's my first time, guys. I don't know how to drive a manual, so.
Sure, unless you want to rev it a little bit. Yeah, all the way. Más. Alright, now we can kill it. Whew, thanks.
No mames, güey. Apesta como a gas.
Yeah, it does. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and install this. The exhaust is pretty easy. Ooh, smells bad. Just want to unbolt it right there behind the cat. Right there. And then the rest of it all the way through. Self-explanatory, so I don't think I'm gonna show you guys much of us taking it off. I'll be back to show you the results of what it sounds like. Alright, see you in a bit. Paint is almost done. He dropped everything, removed everything from its hangers, and then the rear sway bar, he's loosening it up so he could slip the rest of the exhaust from under. I wish I could be helping him, but I'm not 100% yet. He's gonna finish that up, and then we'll show you the final product. Look at this skinny thing compared to this big old beefy guy. It's gonna be definitely noticeable. Dang it, son. That thing you can make food out of, huh?
Just cut it up there and open it like a grill.
A little grill, yeah. There's the new stuff. Honestly, I thought the pipes were a little bit bigger on this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, but they're dinky as hell.
Yeah, those are fucking tiny.
Not even yours is that skinny. God damn. Alright. Now with the old and with the new. Alright. You have the old one out. He already has it set on the floor. I'll set you guys back here. And then we can listen to the exhaust sounds. Give me 1 second. Oh, not there yet. Huh? Alright, first start. We'll let it do its thing. And maybe we might some more red matching again. Not red matching, okay. Some more sounds to pop out again. We'll see you guys then. Round 2. Second test drive. I'll tell you guys what you would get. Alright, second time we took out the Miata for a test drive. Second time we got Dutch. I didn't show the first time because I wasn't feeling too well. Oh shit. But the exhaust sounds nice, I like it. What do you think, Angel?
Actually, I like it. It's a different tone.
It's loud, huh?
Yeah.
It's loud. It's not too loud where you can't listen to the radio. I wish I had more sound clips, but I was mostly trying to enjoy her. Other than that, like, it was simple install. Since you installed it, it was simple, correct?
Yeah, it was pretty simple. All 4 times. Everything. Nothing really needs to be.
Oh well, we had fun. It's a bit windy, so she's getting tossed around, so this is where she's gonna stay. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and maybe drop a comment down what we should be doing next, either to his car or my car. See you guys soon. That shit was a lot louder.
What happened?
Ooh, boom. Switch onto the bit. He gets over here. I caught my first trout real quick.